Looking for a plant that will bring your garden to life? Look no further than the Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood. This beautiful shrub is a true standout in any landscape. It offers something special in every season. The Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is a feast for the eyes. Its bright yellow stems shine brightly in the winter sun. Imagine the joy of seeing this cheerful color on a cold winter's day. This dogwood is a gift that keeps on giving. But this dogwood is not just for winter. It also offers lush green foliage in the spring and summer. This foliage then turns a fiery red in the fall. With its constantly changing beauty, the Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is sure to delight you throughout the year. The Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is a plant for all seasons. In spring, vibrant green leaves emerge, covering the plant in a cloak of fresh color. This lush foliage lasts throughout the summer, creating a sense of fullness and vitality in your garden. As the days grow shorter, the Arctic Fire registered trademark puts on another spectacular show. The leaves begin to transform into fiery shades of red and orange. This fiery display signals the coming of autumn. When winter arrives and other plants fade into the background, the Arctic Fire registered trademark truly shines. The leaves fall away to reveal the plant's most striking feature, its brilliant yellow stems. These stems stand out against the snowy landscape. They provide a welcome splash of color in the depths of winter. The Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is a versatile plant. It can thrive in a variety of locations in your garden. One popular option is to plant it along borders. Here, it can provide a vibrant backdrop for other plants. Another great option is to use it in foundation plantings. Its bright stems can brighten up the base of your home during the winter months. For a bolder statement, consider planting the Arctic Fire registered trademark as a focal point in your garden. Its unique beauty is sure to draw the eye. No matter where you choose to plant it, the Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is sure to enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. It's a plant that you will enjoy for years to come. Section 4. A friend to wildlife and gardener alike. The Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is not only beautiful, but it is also a great choice for those who want to support local wildlife. This native plant provides food and shelter for birds and other animals. In addition to its benefits for wildlife, the Arctic Fire registered trademark is also very low maintenance. It's a great choice for gardeners of all skill levels. This dogwood is a hardy plant. It can tolerate a variety of conditions. Once established, it requires minimal care. This makes it a great option for busy gardeners who want a beautiful garden without a lot of work. You can enjoy its beauty without spending hours on upkeep. Section 5. Arctic Fire registered trademark. Easy care for year-round beauty. The Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood is a relatively small shrub. It typically grows to be about 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. This makes it a great choice for smaller gardens or for planting in groups. This dogwood prefers full sun to part shade. For the most vibrant stem color, it's best to plant it in an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. To keep your Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood looking its best, it's a good idea to give it a periodic cutback. This is best done in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Cutting back some of the older stems will encourage the plant to produce new, brightly colored stems. This will ensure that your dogwood continues to provide stunning winter interest for years to come. Add the Arctic Fire registered trademark yellow dogwood to your garden today. Enjoy its year-round color and easy care.